Hey guys, this is Yoshi from Yoshi Tsusabi. We are experiencing a fucking earthquake. Everything is falling. Oh fucking shit. Oh god. No, this is not special effects. This is actually happening, and I have no fucking clue what I'm supposed to do. They tell me that I'm supposed to be under a desk or something. Oh fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go under the desk. Oh shit. Oh my god, what the fuck? Fuck, this is so fucking scary. Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh, my fucking TV fell. Oh fuck. You have got to be shitting me. Oh, fuck, man. It is still going on. That felt like a magnitude 5 earthquake. Maybe 3, I don't know. I have experienced tiny earthquakes, but this is probably the largest earthquake that I have experienced. Oh my god, that's so fucking scary. Holy shit. Oh man. Apparently some people think it's funny. Fuck. It's still shaking a little. Oh goodness. Wow. Oh my god. The building is actually still shaking right now. It feels like I'm on a boat. I hope it doesn't liquidize, because if it liquidizes, then everything is going to collapse, and there's a good chance that I'm going to die. So, oh my god. Oh, there's my fucking TV. Oh, do we have a second round of earthquake? Oh, 超怖っ。びっくりした。I think we have a second round of earthquake. It is still shaking. Alright, starting to shake more. Oh fuck. Get ready for second round. Fuck my life, man. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna leave the camera on the floor. I'm gonna go get my cell phone. Whoa, we are out of service. Oh man. I guess this is the aftermath of earthquake, I'm not sure, or aftershock, because it's still shaking a little bit, and I am scared shitless right now. I am fucking scared. Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have just seen firsthand of earthquake in Japan. I am underneath the desk. People say it doesn't really help because if the building collapses, you know, I'm going to be underneath the rubble anyways. So, but oh, there's another earthquake. See, there, I've got a bottle of water right there. If you guys can see that, oh. Yep, here we go again, motherfuckers! Woo!